We will do Unit 14 of English Grammar Starter Book. The name of the unit is She Has a Ball, and we'll discuss topics simple, present, affirmatives, irregular. Now students, we use simple present tense to tell about the repeated action. The action can be done every day, every morning, every week, every month or every year. But that action will be repeated again and again. जो action बार बार होता है, to tell about these action we use simple present affirmative sentences. Now students, in affirmative sentences we do not use no or not. Affirmative sentences no or not नहीं लगाते हैं. Students, there is rule of using simple present affirmative sentences. For examples, there is no change in the verb for pronoun I, you, we and they. So in simple present affirmative sentences, there is no change in the verb when we are using pronoun I, you, we, they, or we are using plural noun. But there is change in verb for pronoun he, she, it, or when you are using singular noun. That means name of one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Student, there are two types of verb in simple present affirmative sentences. So, regular verb and irregular verbs. We have discussed about regular verbs in the unit 13, I like apples. So, regular verbs follow S rules. So, we add S to the verb for pronoun he, she, it, or with singular noun. That means name of one person, one animal, one place or one thing. So, play become plays. So, we add S to play and it become plays. And the same way, eat become eats, like become likes, read become reads, swim become swims. So, we add S to swim and it becomes swims. We add S to read and become reads. Like, we add S and become likes. We add S to eat and become eats. We can understand through examples. He plays cricket. She eats chocolates. Raju likes apples. Fish swims in water. It swims every day. So we can see play become plays, eat become eats, like become likes, swim become swims for pronoun he, she, it, and for singular noun Raju and fish. So these are regular verbs. Now in unit 14 we'll discuss about irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are have, go and do. So irregular verbs have, go and do not follow S rule. वो S rule follow नहीं करते हैं. We cannot add S to these verbs for singular noun or for pronoun he, she, it. So student, इनमें हम S नहीं लगा सकते. Have, go या do में. Now there is no change in the verb have, do and go for plural nouns or for pronoun I, you, we, they. तो plural nouns या pronoun I, you, we, they के साथ there is no change in verb have, do and go. And sentence will be, first we'll take verb have. I have a ball. You have a ball. We have a ball. They have a ball. Ram and Raj have a ball. Because Ram and Raj are two people. So it is a plural noun. So we can see there is no change in verb have for pronoun I, you, we, they, and for plural noun Ram and Raj. In the same way, we take verb go and we'll understand through examples. I go to school. You go to school. We go to school. They go to school. Ram and Rita go to school. So we can see there's no change in verb go for pronoun I, you, we, they, or for plural noun. In the same way, we take verb do. We can understand through example. There's no change in verb do for pronoun I, you, we, they, or for plural noun. I do exercise, you do exercise, they do exercise, We do exercise. Ram and Raj do exercise. So we can see there's no change in verb have, go and do when we are using pronoun I, you, we, they, or we are using plural noun. But for singular noun and for singular pronoun he, she and it, have changes into has. So in place of we write has. We write s. In place of we write s and have changes into has. Have की जगह हम has लगा देंगे. For example, he has a ball, she has a ball, it has a ball, Raju has a ball. So have changes into has for pronoun he, she, it, or for singular noun Raju. Now we'll take verb go. Now in verb go, we add es to the verb go and go changes into goes. तो go goes में बदल जाता है when we are using pronoun he, she, it or we are using singular noun. For example, he goes to school, she goes to school, it goes to school, Rita goes to school. So we add es to go and it become goes. For pronoun he, she, it or for singular noun. In the same way, verb do changes into does. So we add es to do and do become does for pronoun he, she, it or for singular noun. For example, he does exercise, she does exercise, it does exercise, Ram does exercise, Rita does exercise. So students, the verb have changes into has, go changes into goes and do changes into does for pronoun he, she, it or for singular noun. We will understand further through the exercises.